YouTube, what up? Today we're gonna be doing a quick little tutorial on epoxy, also known as clear coating and resin. This is the box we're gonna be using today. It comes with a part A and a part B. It also comes with 3 small cups. We're not gonna be using these today. We're gonna be using these cups right here since I have something bigger that I'm gonna be working on. And it also comes with 2 sticks that you're gonna be using for mixing. You're also gonna need a marker, gloves, and just something to measure your epoxy with when you're putting it in your cups. So let's get to it. First, we're gonna be measuring the cups. You can put this next to it. This is just so you can get the same amount in each cup. Put that right there. People usually use 3 cups, but today we're only going to be using 2 cups. So, part A, you're going to fill that up to that line that you made. Okay. Then we're gonna do part B. I believe this one comes out much faster. Okay, got them about at the same length. You put your gloves on. What you want to do is you want to mix them. Well, you want to pour part B into part A. And scrape as much out of there as you possibly can. And now what you want to do is you want to mix this for 2 to 3 minutes or until there are no more white streaks in it. See how it has white streaks in it? You want to mix until those are gone, or for at least 2 to 3 minutes. It says to mix it slowly. Sometimes I do get out of hand trying to speed it up, but you don't want to do that. You can mess up your batch. Get it on the sides. Try to get as much as in the middle as you can. And I'm going to be using this on a tumbler. I might have made too much, but that's fine. We can have some for later. for one of my other projects that need to be done. See how it's starting to clear up a little bit. And after you're done mixing, don't leave it sitting for too long because it does start to harden up after about 20 minutes. I say we're about done. No more streaks in it. Does have a lot of bubbles, but that can be taken care of. So yeah, there you go. There you have it. That's how you mix epoxy. All right, YouTube. Until next time.